వస్తుంది కదా
వస్తుంది.
స్టార్టింగ్
బ్రైట్నెస్ లైట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటున్నా.
సరే
మధ్యలో మధ్యలో కూడా చూడు, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయి.
ఫస్ట్
మళ్ళీ వచ్చిందో లేదో అంత చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి నువ్వు.
నువ్వు
You will find difficult at the time of generating, but video will get the reference.
Okay.
And I'll directly help you, but still you don't have the access of database and all, so
Yes.
that would be very difficult for you to work on your setup.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's get started, and you can mention if someone. Okay.
బియ్యం లైట్ వస్తుంది.
Let me share my screen.
And one more thing, Bhavik. So, what is the current role I will be joining as?
Currently,
అంత
I'm
దూరం
support
పెడితే ఎట్లా
engineer.
అమ్మా?
Support engineer. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Nissan only support engineer. So we all, me, Srini and Shashi are the support engineers because we are part of AMO team.
Okay.
Let me share my screen.
No.
తీసుకొని వాడు
Let me know if it is visible or not.
ఎప్పుడు చూడు అట్లే కూర్చుంటాడు ఎప్పుడు చూడు అమ్మా.
Yeah.
Is it visible? Okay,
Yes.
great. So first of all, when you start any report, you have to pick up one day. We are currently go with the 28th July. Okay. For that we have to go to the MOSI console, MOSI server. So
Okay.
we will go to that server. This server access will provide by Venkat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me close this all. I'll go from the first step onwards. This is already mentioned in the document, but still I'll show you the practical way. Integrated view. Password also I'm also not remembering. So let me minimize and copy the password.
Which environment is this, Bhavik?
It's a base environment.
Okay. Okay.
So
So it is
currently,
production, right?
if you are working for JP1 alert report, that should be a base only.
Okay.
This is not related to some QA and all.
Okay. Okay. So, are you shifting to a new company? Hello.
Yes, Vijay.
Okay.
Let's see how the process is going. As per the discussion with Raghu, we are on the same page that I'll be get released from the Nissan by 1st of November. Then we'll see how the things work.
Oh.
So yeah, you already have this document and it is mentioned that you have to go to this after connecting to the jump server. You need to go to this URL and the password is JP this one.
Okay.
I'm not recollecting or remembering the password. This password after the enter. After upgradation from Windows 10 to 11, I really face so many issues.
Okay.
It's working very slow.
Oh.
Now it's copied. Let me paste it to the. Yeah, it's done. Okay, it will take loading. So then you need to go to the search event. Okay, and view filter setting. Event search condition. Inside that condition, you have to give document level you want to. That critical, error and warning. Maybe you can select error as well, and warning also you can ignore. It's up to you. But generally, as per the documentation, we have to prepare this three: critical,
Okay,
error, and
great.
warning.
Okay.
Okay, you need to pass the date. So currently it's 22. Let me give 28. We are preparing the record for 28 July. 28 July. After click. Okay. Okay. These many errors or logs will display. Now you need to copy all this log to the Excel file, but directly Excel will not allow. So you have to be familiar with Excel as well while generating the report. I am using sometimes VLOOKUP as well.
Okay.
That Chindu has suggested me a good idea as suggested by Chindu.
Okay.
So in Excel, I will show you how to copy paste as well, because in this documentation also it's mentioned that how to copy paste in Excel as well.
Mm-hmm. Hindu Jain, you are saying, right?
Jan, yes.
Why he is involved in this project?
He is the account manager of Nissan.
Yeah. So, like, he
involved in every project of Nissan.
Okay.
Okay. And one thumb rule for this project, or any time you work with the Excel, every time you need to change this general to text.
Okay.
Whenever business user asks you to provide the data, that time also when you copy paste the data in Excel, you just change the property of cell from you need to select all and text.
Okay.
Once it copy pasted, you need to paste it. Okay. After the paste, it will not look like as we want. So select column one. Go to data. Convert text to column. Fixed. It's a CSV file. So sorry, delimiter. You need to pass the comma separated value. Again, so if you see, this look like perfect, but sometime it will not work. So better to delete all the data. Okay. And you need to again copy paste. Now it will look, see, if you see, now it will look like as we want, as per the format.
Okay.
And this step also mentioned in the document as well. So first you need to copy paste. After the conversion, you need to delete all the records, and again you need to paste it, because sometimes it will format it or sometimes it will not format it. That's the reason we are doing again. Okay. So once you save this file into your local folder. So I'll show you the folder name, and you need to give the sheet name as well. So I already done with these things. So maybe today we'll have bear some time, because it will be a lengthier call.
This is in the GEM server, right?
No, currently, sorry, what is it?
GEM server. Means this GPU analysis you are seeing from the GEM server, right?
From GEM server to another server is that MOSI server.
So how do we copy to local then?
It directly copy paste, Control-C, Control-V, it's working. Actually, the same question I asked first time, that how the copy pasting is working. So directly you can, normal copy paste you can do. So one more thing, after you need to save this file in this location only, inside the desktop, inside JP1 automation.
Okay.
You need to save the file like this only, this format, JP alert MOSI console.
Okay, we need to rename it like this, right?
Yes, there are some because if you see in our what we call program or application, Spring Boot application, we have strictly mentioned about the file name.
Okay.
So the sheet name also you can write GP alert console. Okay. Once you are done with this, you need to check for the database part. So for database part, how you have to do? You need to go to the GEM server. For database, you need to connect the database server, that is 31. There are two databases are there. Sometimes, so currently we are following for database master slave kind of architecture. So sometimes if you want to perform some update logic or insert logic, so that time we have to connect. If it is working for one of the server, then if not, then other server is the master. So only master have this access.
Okay.
And for 28, you need to copy all the data. On the date of 28, you need to execute this 9 query. Okay. So let's say currently you are executing only profile, deprofile NMN table. This will give you the data. You need to copy. See, sometimes if user wants the data, copy with the header. So you need to do the copy with the header. But in our case, for creating the CSV, we don't require this copy with header. Only just to copy. Okay. After copying, so we are performing NMN, deprofile NMN. Okay. You need to open this file. I already prepared the file creation for you. You just need to copy paste it.
Okay.
You just have to copy paste it. The file sheet name also p_nmn. You have to delete the existing record. Let's say currently I am deleting the existing record.
Okay.
Okay. So once you delete, you need to before the pasting, check this should be the text only. After pasting, it will take some time. Okay, save it. Okay, once you save it, you just close it. Now you have to go for the another tables. So currently I will not go for the other tables. I already keep it in somewhere. ppm CSV is there. CSV 3 days ago I already done with this thing, so that is why I am doing quickly. Maybe initially you will have some time and you can justify that nearby one day it will take. Then you can automatically speed up your these things. So currently let me delete all these things. Okay. After this, you have to execute the query which is given by the Srini. Srini has created this script. So this is the JP1 app.
So this is a separate API.
Yeah, separate script is there.
Okay.
Okay. If you see, this will convert your CSV file into the script, SQL script.
Okay.
Okay. So, and this is also follow one path. If you remember, we are performing the JP1 GP alert automation into the Rails script, Rails CSV.
Okay.
So now you just run it. Okay. If you see, 3 files will be created for the profile. Okay. Now we have to do for the history tables. Same with the history tables. Run some application.
Oh, this all thing we have to do it manually.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So this is not deployed onto any server, right?
Yeah. yeah, this is not deployed, and in fact, this will not allow you to deploy it as well, because
Okay.
why we are copying the data, because they have restrictions on the servers. That is
Just
why
to
we have to
convert. Okay.
yeah, that is why you have to take a whole environment into your local.
Oh,
That's the purpose we are doing.
so this application is only for converting that CSV into SQL.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So if you see, we are done with the conversion part.
Okay.
One more is pending. Profile be next. Okay, total 9 files we have created. Now let me see. If you see in maybe 1 or 2 files, you will get the error. That's the reason for that. Sometimes developer has changed the property of or column, added a new column or removed the column. This kind of things will happen. So that time you have to uh, drop your database and create a new database with the given script. You have to ask the developer to provide us the dump file for this.
Okay.
In my case, I have not taken a latest backup. So maybe for this you will get the error in my local. I'll show you this.
Okay.
And you have chance to explore and create the automate this application as well.
Okay. Oh, automation. Understood.
Yes.
Okay. So that means we need to schedule it, I think, right?
Yes, you can do some scripting in your local. I'll show you what I have done, but that's not relevant for this. So let's say I'm copying all the copy. This is the base. Okay, let me execute it. Maybe if I have executed already, then it will show the data is already exists. But for 20, no, okay. So see, all the rows are inserted. Maybe in some cases you will get, but you can ignore it.
Okay.
This is duplicate key. Because if I require something, I am executing individual record as well for some investigation purpose.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how you have to do for 9 tables. I am not going 9 tables now because this would the call may be extended so much, and I don't want to spoil Friday.
Okay.
Has Srini joined?
No.
Okay, no problem. Let me. Okay. After see what the error also I'll show you the error file. For this GPD profile Japan, there are some property has changed. So for that, you will get the error, but you can take a latest term. Okay, yeah. So column name number has supplied value does not match with the table definition. That means there are some columns name has added. So this is why it's not working. So that's the reason we are getting the error, nothing else.
Okay.
I have not taken the latest dump. You can ask for the latest dump as well.
Okay.
So this is how you have to perform the execution of database in your local. Now you have to copy the files from the server. So we have two servers. Okay. So let me go. Server 1 is 82.11. Oh, sorry. This is NoSQL server. Okay. You don't have to kill the active connection. Otherwise, someone is performing his task and interrupting stops.
Understood.
So better to inform in the group. So currently I'm taking the away connections. Okay. So yeah, this is the task may take time. So what I am doing, I already mentioned the path into this document. So I'll directly go. I'm not copy pasting from the documentation because for opening the Word file it will take some time. So
Okay.
let's say you need to copy the logs from the server. So for that I have given how to copy the logs folder. So you need to directly enter the date, okay, and this is the path. This is the fixed path. And if sometimes this file is not available in this path, in this location, let's say, let me go to 27. If you see in 27, Clio, cute, see, Clio is also. So if you see in 27, how the 26th July file is there, because in 26th it's not there. So that if some file is not there on the given date, you need to check it on the next date.
Okay.
So we have to take a file application log file. This is BPM input, that is vnext Clio quick. Okay, see, quick 27 we have, and cute.
Okay.
This file application log, we have to zip it. Okay, and this we are doing for the server 1.
Mm.
BPM log, here you need to change the date 27 to 28. Delete the existing log.
Okay. And copy it.
Yes, you need to copy this. Better to use 7z because it will reduce the size and it is fast. Because if you see in zip file, it is taking a long time to compress. But 7z is the fastest one. I have observed that. That is why we are using 7z.
Okay.
Earlier I was trying to do with the zip only, but that was taking a long time. And so if you say this is the whole bunch of file will contain only a 12 MB. Okay, after copying, and you don't need to copy, don't copy more than one file at a time. Only one by one you can do. Otherwise, it will interrupt or stop that movement. So existing copied also lost. So currently, which locations you are?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yeah. You?
I'm from Mumbai and the base location is in Pune.
Okay. Okay. So this is work from home only, right?
Yeah, it's a work from home.
Okay. Okay. So anytime we need to go to office.
I don't know about that. Earlier, I was getting a mail to work from office with the hybrid model.
Oh. Okay. From Pune location.
Yeah, Pune location.
Okay. You went there?
No.
Okay.
So see, you have to extract the log.
Okay.
Directly you can extract here only by mistake click log. Let me go and copy. So one more application log file we missed, but that's okay. You can copy it. Inspect we forgot.
Okay.
So let me delete this. After copying and extracting, you just give the file name. Okay, see my laptop is so much lagging. BPM input, click F2 and underscore 1 because we have copied this log from the server 1. Okay. Done. Now you need to copy the application data files. So earlier I was doing some wrong way, but now Srini has suggested me a new way to work faster. So
Okay.
for this location, if you see in BPM, we have two folders are there, JSON and receive.
Yes.
From JSON, we have to copy only the vNext data.
Okay.
Okay, so inside this vNext, you need to work on the vNext only. So what, inside this vNext, there are two folders, error and received. So the data files are into the received and the error files are into the error folder only. And inside this also, it is into the date format folder. 20. So currently we are into the 21st of July, sorry. So directly you can go 28.
Okay.
Okay, now you can see 28 folder. So what you can do, directly zip this vNext folder into the 7-zip and copy it into the location and extract here. So this will speed up your task on report generation. Earlier I was used to do a single file that is taking a long time. So 7-zip add to vNext 7-zip.
Okay.
If file contains the more data, this will take some time.
Okay.
So 30,005. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll show you other also. The receive also we need to copy. Okay. I have yesterday only I gave you this. This is the folder structures we have to keep. So directly you can zip it this folder structures.
Okay.
You don't need to go and each and every folder and copy the document. You can directly go to. Earlier I was doing a single folder structures and working.
Oh. So this report generation has to be done daily or how is it?
Yeah, this is how they are planning for daily, but I am unable to do that.
Oh. So daily
Initially,
means so we need to do same process, we need to repeat it, right?
correct. But how you can do the faster process? Let's say you are keeping 2 to 3, you are creating the report or MOSI report file, Excel file for 2 to 3 days. Okay?
Okay.
One by one. So this will reduce your copy pasting from the MOSI console. Another thing what you can do, you can copy the database data from given timestamp. Let's say you by default you are copying the data for more than 2 to 3 days. This is how you can save your time to copying and converting the CSV file into SQL file. This is how you can save your time.
Okay.
And yeah, this is copy pasting is initially it will be slow for you, but once the server is fast and that within 1 hour you can do that.
Okay.
So yeah, this is the steps.